Hey guys, what's up? Jason here, and I have another Xtreme Kombat video for you guys. This one is a day completion. I went on the July 13th, I believe, and if you guys did not know about the upcoming night op, Operation Breakneck, it is on July 25th. You guys should check it out. Check out Tag Phoenix. You can look at their Facebook page, and they have tons of briefing stuff and all the rules on there. Just check that out if you're interested, and I recommend it. It was a pretty fun time the first time I went. But anyway, I hope you all enjoy this video, and I will talk to you all later.